starting to take a little bit of shape here. I'm just experimenting with ground up lighting, or uplighting it's called, and it seems to work, particularly against the natural stone wall. It throws nice shadows and brings out the features of the natural stone.